If you have a good smartphone, this platform will make you $100 to $1,000 every month, and you can withdraw and spend in your local currency anywhere in Africa. Now listen to one of my new students who has made over $340 within 25 days of joining the platform.
My name is Williams. Thanks to Coach Carries, who introduced and mentored me to make money on this platform. I joined this platform on the 11th of July, 2023. And ever since then, I've been earning in dollars every day. Let me go to transaction and show you. I started making money on this platform on the 13th of July after I joined on the 11th of July. As you can see 13, 14, 15, 16. As I'm making this video today, I have made $5.8 4 times today. Yesterday, 7th of August, I have made $5.8 over 6 times yesterday. Let me go to my wallet so that you see the amount I've made accumulatively. This is my wallet. In less than 30 days, that is within 24 days, I have made over $340 within 24 days of joining this platform. Let me change the amount so that you can see in Naira. In 24 days of joining this platform, I have made over 250,000 Naira.
You too can earn like William. All you have to do is 1. Give me a follow by hitting the plus icon because this is meant for only my followers. 2. Comment I am ready so I can pick you out specially. 3. Click the link on my profile to connect with me on WhatsApp so I can help you to start earning in dollars and cash out like William.